Welcome back into this video. As you can see by the title, I'll be literally showing you guys how to get a lot of Snapchat score up fast in 2022. The fastest way right now in 2022. Without further ado, go ahead and subscribe because we're so close to 200 subscribers. All right, first we're gonna go ahead and hop on what do you call it? Snapchat. You know what I'm saying? This your boy right here. It's just you, bitch. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take a fucking screenshot of myself. First of all, let's go ahead and confirm how many Snapchat score I have right now. As you can see, I have like 62,293. Okay. If you want to see a change, and that. And after that, I just click send, and as you can see, I already created my shortcut. So just click select. And you just do that like you can do that like you can do like two times a day. You can do that 2 times a day. I'm gonna do the last one though. I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna send the same to the same people. I'm gonna send it to the same people though. And boom, as you can see, right now we just need to freaking restart your Snapchat, and then just wait for a couple seconds, and then all right, now as you can see, let's go ahead and open up back up our account. And boom, look, you see that we came from 62 to 63,000. So that's how fast right now. Like if you don't want to do this, I can do this for you. We just need to talk, and you're probably gonna pay me. As you can see, people are replying back, and see, or just that's the easiest way. Look, and anyway, you can go ahead and like do it again. Send it to the same people, refresh, and just wait for a couple minutes, and then just open up back up your Snapchat, and boom, look, you see how fast it's flying. Anyway, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, go ahead and subscribe, and get your boy to 200 subscribers by the end of this month. Probably come invade some bitches, and if you don't mind, go ahead and use my filters. It's one of my filters right here, like the cleanest filter I ever made. And yeah, I guess like that's it. I mean, like, I'll catch y'all later though.